With nearly 50 years of experience in air quality at NEU-JKF Delta NEU, we apply our expertise to the creation of tailor-made industrial filtration systems. We capture pollutants as close as possible to avoid their dispersion in the working environment before carrying out a first separation of coarse particles from the captured air. The air is then transported through one or more filtration stages to ensure the purest possible air outflow. According to current standards, clean air will be discharged outside or upgraded in the work area, allowing significant energy savings. Our expertise is presented according to three major filtration solutions: the purification of oil mists or cutting fluids, suction and filtration in contaminated areas for the nuclear industry, and ventilated workstation solutions for sanding, grinding or cleaning operations. We are able to support you in many industries: agri-food, metallurgy, nuclear and many others. We support you in defining your needs in the tailor-made design of your filtration system until its installation. NEU-JKF Delta NEU, by your side to improve the air quality of your industry.